Hey, wonderful learners! It's time for another fun adventure with Leo and Poppy. Today we are going to explore the magical world of mixing colours. Do you think two colours can make a brand new colour? Let's find out together. Get ready to guess the colours with Leo and Poppy. Leo has blue paint and Poppy has yellow paint. What happens when we mix blue and yellow together? Let's think. Ready? Blue and yellow make green. Wow! Look at that bright green colour. Can you think of something green? Maybe a frog or some broccoli, some grass or some leaves on a tree. Amazing! Colour number 2. Now Leo is mixing blue paint with red paint. What colour do you think they will make? Let's guess together. Blue and red make purple. What things can be purple? Maybe some plums or some purple butterflies, some shiny gemstones or lavender flowers. Beautiful purple. Colour number 3. Poppy is mixing red and yellow together now. What colour will appear? Think carefully. Red and yellow make orange. Can you name something orange? Maybe a tiger or an orange. Some pumpkins or autumn leaves. Fantastic guessing. Colour number 4. Now this one is interesting. Leo and Poppy are mixing green and red together. What colour do they make? Green and red make brown. What things are brown? Maybe a bear or a tree trunk, some chocolate or a wooden table. Great job, learner. Colour number 5. Now let's try black and white. What happens when we mix them together? Black and white make grey. Can you think of something grey? Maybe an elephant or a storm cloud, a wolf or some rocks. Fantastic! Colour number 6. Last one, everyone. Leo and Poppy are mixing red and white together. What colour will they make? Correct. Red and white make pink. What things can be pink? A flamingo or some cupcakes. A pink balloon or some pink roses. Amazing colour mixing. Mini recap quiz. Let's see what you can remember. What do blue and yellow make? Correct. Green. What do red and yellow make? Fantastic! Orange! What colour do black and white make? Grey! You are brilliant learners. We hope you had fun learning colours in the Leo and Poppy way. Keep practicing your colours and mixing new ideas together. See you next time. Bye-bye.